Have you ever grabbed your phone to make a call and got this instead? Me too. You know, and if you think about it, I'm sure all of us at one point in our lives have had a dead battery. And it always happens at the most inconvenient of times. You know what I'm talking about. You're trying to send that really important work email out, your phone's completely dead. Or you're in a new city and you just need your GPS to work to find out where you're at. Or have you ever made plans to go out and meet your friends and you're gonna text them when you get there and your phone's just completely out of juice? Or how about heading home after a long night, you pull out your phone to call an Uber or a taxi and there's just nothing left. Hi, I'm Eli Regalado and this is Jumper Card. We call it jumper cables for your phone. Shaped like a credit card, it offers a lay-flat, portable cable system that can charge and sync any phone on the market. Each card comes with the added bonus of an onboard emergency battery to give you an extra 45 to 60 minutes of talk time when you need it most. To use, simply pop out the charging head, choose your connection, so either iPhone 4, 5, or Android, and plug it into your phone. Once connected, simply slide the power switch to on, and you're done. A green light will illuminate when charging, so there's no guessing. You can also use it for home or office. All you have to do is pop out the USB side to charge your phone with your laptop, and it'll simultaneously refill your jumper card battery for when you need it later. They also come with a super bright LED flashlight to help you find those items you lose in the dark. Or, for your ladies, to help you dig around in your purse. Okay guys, so here's where we're at with our jumper card. All that we have to do is place our first production run. Our factory's geared up, they're ready to go, and that's why we're on Indiegogo, is just to get the necessary funds to make that order. So once that order's placed, we'll have product here within a few short weeks, meaning it's not going to take you months and months before you can start using this little guy. So please back our campaign, tell your friends, and you're absolutely going to love this thing. I promise.